Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Budhwar. Today we will discuss the syllabus for ADA subject. ADA stands for Algorithm Design and Analysis. If anyone interested to study in detail to the subject, then go through all the lectures day by day. You all have received all the contents regarding this subject in detail day by day. So in today's class we will discuss what are the syllabus, and from next class we will discuss one by one each and every topic in detail. So our first topic will be introductory part, concept of algorithm, efficiency, runtime analysis of algorithm, asymptotic notation, growth of function, masters of theorem. Then second one, searching and sorting, structure of divide and conquer algorithm like binary search, quick sort, station matrix multiplication, merge sort, heap sort, analysis of divide and conquer, runtime recurrence relation. And this topic is also beneficial for all the students who are studied in graduation level, and also beneficial for the students who are preparing any competitive exam like UGC NET, GATE or any other, JEST, TIFR, ISRO. Next unit is greedy method. Then what are the greedy algorithm, paradigms, and what are the exact optimization solution for greedy algorithm, minimum cost spanning tree, approximate solution like knapsack problem, Kruskal algorithm and Prim's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree, how to find single source shortest path using Disgasta algorithm and Bellman-Ford, what is Huffman coding algorithm, activity selection problem. So these are the greedy methods. Next topic is our DP. जैसे जैसे पढ़ोगे, जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगा BP, वैसे वैसे समझ आएगा TP. So what is dynamic programming, principle of dynamic programming application like road cutting problem, Floyd-Warshall algorithm for all shortest path. In greedy, for single shortest path, and in dynamic for all shortest path. Matrix multiplication, traveling salesman problem, longest common subsequence. Then next one is backtracking, 8 queen problem, next step problem, traveling salesman problem. Next topic is branch and bound, LC searching bounding, FIFO branch and bound, LC branch and bound application, 0-1 knapsack problem, and next or last one, that is computational complexity. What are the complexity measures, polynomial versus non-polynomial time complexity, NP hard and NP complete classes. Example like circuit satisfactory, vertex cover, subset subproblem, randomized algorithm, string matching, NP hard and NP complete, approximates algorithm, sorting network, matrix operation. So this is the complete detailed syllabus of algorithm subject, which we will cover in our next classes in detail. So if you anyone interested to study this topic in detail, then please subscribe this channel and like the video and share with your friends. So for today's, it's all about for today's class. In the next class we will discuss one by one each and every topic. So thank you so much and all the very best for your future.